Hey guys, how's it going? Today is trade number 3 of the $1,000 option challenge. Today's trade was Walmart. I know our first trade was Walmart as well, but today the stock started rising and I saw that it was hitting resistance and I thought it would be a great time to place a vertical. So what I did, we sold a 133, bought the 135, I believe it was a $50 credit. So let's see how that plays out. Just to recap, trade number 1 that we did earlier in the week, Walmart, we're still in it. I think we're down a little bit, but by Friday, hopefully we'll be profitable. And the second trade that we did was the Tesla trade, and it looks like it's going to expire worthlessly, which means we're going to get to keep all the credit. So I'm going to basically jump into trade number 3 that we did today, and here's the video. So once again, this is trade number 3. Today we traded Walmart. As you can see, Walmart started hitting the resistance level around 132. I thought this would be a great time to basically sell a vertical at 132 here. You can see that right over here, it hit it, came back down, hit it again, it came back down. Had a nice run up since the 117 level, and I think that's kind of exhausted, plus it's hitting resistance, meaning I believe that we could get a nice pause right here. So here's my trade. You can see that I sold the 133 call and bought a 135 call. So I sold the 135 call for $1.25. And I bought the 135 call, once again, to cover my butt in case Walmart goes to the moon, for 75 cents or 75. So basically that's a difference of 50 bucks. So I got $50 to hold on to this trade. And if Walmart does not go above 133 by Friday, I get to keep the $50. So once again, the Tesla trade's still on, and trade number 1 from Walmart, if it closes actually below 132, we'll be profitable in that trade right now. So as we speak, we're 3 for 3 in all 3 trades. So hopefully Friday, and it stays the same, and we'll be 3 for 3 by Friday. So good luck, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps out a lot. Leave any comments with any suggestions that you may have, or any questions that you may have, and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, guys, we're looking forward to trade number 4.